In the previous video I showed a product that saved me an immeasurable amount of time because I simply can't help myself but to drive a car with a polished engine on the street and at the track and get it filthy and disgusting. I like this product not only because it smells like lighter fluid, yeah it does, I really like lighter fluid, but really I like it because it cleans everything off the part down to the bare metal surface that you had in the first place. It'll usually leave it even better than it originally was. Wipe on, wipe off. Oxidation, oils, chemical spots, water spots, you name it. Elbow grease is still required, but to a lesser degree than with most other products that I've used. It's easy enough to restore polished engine parts in tight places without having to disassemble them with this. So you can see why it's an idiot with a polished engine's best friend. This is not a paid endorsement. I'm just going to use a popularly available thing for its intended purpose, and nobody's going to be ashamed about any of this. I got this 15-year-old sheet metal intake manifold with internal velocity stacked runners, and it's been packed in a box for a decade with all the engine bay funk from 10 years ago still stuck all over it. Its dull, milky gray, oxidized hue with chemical spots and stains and fingerprints are just all staring at us. I'm doing nothing else to this thing first, and this is the only thing I'm going to use in this video, so let's get to work. You can see it with your own eyes, and you watch me do half this job with only one finger. This won't buff out abrasions and scratches, but they'll be practically invisible when you clean all the oxides and dirts out of them and make them the same color as everything else around it. It takes heavier artillery to remove damage, but this is the cleaned, degreased base finish that we're working with. Hit that like button if you support the rebirth of bling, and stay tuned for more coming soon. Heck of an RTB job, Jafro. Good job. That is now an assembly.